Alright, YouTube, today's progress has been pretty slow. Got my third slat off the moldboard here. Got the bolts off of this one, but I need to tap it loose, but I don't want to hit it because I've got my youngin upstairs asleep and I don't want to wake the sleeping child. So this will sit here until tomorrow. I've tried to wiggle it and tap it real light. It just hasn't moved yet. The third one was the same way. I had to knock it pretty good, and all of a sudden it came out. I feel like this is going to do the same thing. This plow bolt here, rounded, broke off. No, I got it off. I got this one off. I've got one of the bolt heads that rounded off back here. Also went to take my handle off and broke the top bolt. It would not move. I don't know what it was, but when I got it out, I saw why it went ahead and broke. It was pretty thin where it went together, so it's off. That's easy enough to replace. I've heated the other one a time or two and we'll get it done. I did get this bolt off of this side because I broke it on the other side. I want to make sure I know exactly what I was drilling out and all, but I got it off. So I'm making some slow progress. It's coming along. I got both of there's a strut down here from the landslide to the share cutting edge back, and then one up here that tied in to that brace. So those are all the way up. Top and middle two slats out. It was 4, just like this side. I've got it down to the last one, and like I said, it's ready to come out. I really was going to try to use my point and because these are separate. They're not I don't know if you can see it in the video. Yeah, I'll show it right there. This is a wear piece, a replaceable wear piece, and this one is, and then the shin up here. I think the shin's fine. This share is a little wavy, but it's too short, so I got to fix it. And this, I'd have to look up what they're called. I can't remember now, but it is, when you get under it and look at it, it's pretty badly rusted, starting to do that flake thing. So that'll probably have to get replaced too, but I've just about got this side apart. I'm going to take the frog off if I can get it off, so I can clean everything up real good on this side before I put it back together. That's today's progress. Happy 4th of July to everyone. Thanks for stopping by. I'll catch y'all next time.